This literature kit on Lord of the Flies by William Golding challenges students to really think deeper about the content of the book. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put events in order as they happened when the boys are first stranded and must figure out how to survive. Give meaning to the author's use of mankind's essential illness and describe how this has affected the boys on the island. Map out Ralph's mindset by identifying some of the things that he reflects on. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a shipwreck plan with a group that will get food, water, shelter, and possible rescue. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Discuss the themes of the novel, in particular how they reveal themselves throughout the story and juxtapose them to today's society. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.